In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new user in ERPNext. So, if you're managing a team or expanding your organization and need to grant access to your ERPNext system, you've come to the right place. Let's walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do and why each step is necessary. To begin, you need to log in to ERPNext. You should either have an administrator account or at least hold a system manager role to have the necessary permissions. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the right section. To do this, look for the Home section in your interface. From there, your path is straightforward. You want to go to Users and then select User from the menu options. Here, you'll have a list of existing users, but our focus is on adding someone new. You'll notice a New button, probably toward the top of your screen. Give that a click. This is where the real action begins as you're about to fill in the details for the new user account. First, there's the email field. This one is crucial because it's not only the primary identifier for the user in the system, but it's also how they'll receive important communication from ERPNext. Make sure to double-check this email for accuracy because it's essential for account verification and password setup. Now, although the fields for first name and last name are optional, it's a good practice to fill them out. This helps personalize the user's experience and makes it easier for others on your team to identify them quickly in the system. Next, you'll need to assign one or more roles to the new user. This step is vital because roles determine what actions and access levels the user will have within ERPNext. In the Roles section, you'll see an option to Add Row. By clicking it, you can choose from a list of predefined roles such as Employee, Sales User, System Manager, and various others based on what responsibilities or tasks this new user will handle. Assign these roles carefully, considering the scope of their responsibilities. Once you've entered all the necessary details and assigned the appropriate roles, it's time to save the new user profile. You can do this by clicking the Save button. After saving, if you've configured your ERPNext system with the proper email settings, the new user will automatically receive a welcome email. This email will prompt them to set their password, ensuring that they can securely access the ERP system right from the start. And that wraps up our tutorial on creating a new user in ERPNext. By following these steps, you can efficiently add new team members, ensuring they have the right tools and access they need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you next time.